Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to hide TikTok repost. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. Okay, so here's the thing. There is a new feature on TikTok where anyone can repost a video and anyone who view or go to their profile can see the videos that they have reposted. But some people ask if there is a way for making this repost private, or let's just say no one can see the videos that they have reposted. So here's what you're going to do. You just have to go to your TikTok, go to your profile, tap the three lines, and then go to settings and privacy. Now here, you just have to scroll down and look for privacy. Once it's at privacy, you just have to scroll down again. So the first thing to do here is to simply go to your like videos and make sure that you set this to only me. And then after that, you can now go up and then set your account into private so that when someone, especially a stranger, visits your profile, you have set your profile into private, and at the same time, he or she cannot see the videos that you have reposted. Take note, okay, this is not to mislead people. This is just to inform that make your repost videos set to private is not yet available on TikTok, but you can find ways on how to set your videos into private, especially your repost videos. So all you have to do is to set your account into private so that only those people who follow you can see your videos, okay, or your activities on TikTok in short. So that's it. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.